Hello. Today we're looking at the XML Viewer module for omekas, which lets you display XML files inside the platform.
This module is particularly useful when working with TEI, that's Text Encoding Initiative, files for digital humanities projects.
TEI is a standard for marking up texts in the humanities. How does this module help?
It renders XML files in the browser by applying an XSLT transformation. So instead of showing raw XML tags, it shows formatted HTML output.
That sounds very useful. Where is the module published?
As of March 2022, it's only on GitLab, not GitHub. And there's no release zip, so you need to download the source code directly.
What's the installation process like?
Download the source code zip from GitLab. When extracted, the folder is named omekasmodule XML Viewer, not XML Viewer.
So you have to rename it.
Exactly. Rename it to XML Viewer, place it in the modules directory, then install it through the omekas admin interface like any other module.
Are there any other setup steps?
Yes. By default, omekas doesn't allow XML uploads. You need to add text/XML to the allowed MIME types and XML to the allowed file extensions in the security settings.
Once the module is installed, how do you upload XML files?
You create a new item and attach the XML file as a media resource, just like you would with images.
Any gotchas with the XML files themselves?
Yes. If the XML file doesn't include the declaration, XML version equals 1.0, encoding equals UTF-8, at the top, omekas may detect the MIME type as text/HTML instead.
And that affects the XSLT transformation?
It can. The module's XSLT processing may not work correctly if the MIME type is wrong, so it's recommended to include the XML declaration.
How do you connect the XSLT file to the uploaded XML?
In the site settings, there's an XML Viewer section. You map the MIME type to an XSLT file there.
The module comes with a default XSLT file?
Yes, XSL/XML-HTML.XSLT is provided as a default. It converts XML to a basic HTML view.
Can you use your own custom XSLT?
Yes. Place a custom XSLT file in /modules/XMLViewer/asset/XSL and then specify it in the settings. This allows you to fully control the output format.
So in summary, the XML Viewer module lets omekas display XML files with XSLT rendering.
Right. The key steps are, install from GitLab, allow XML MIME types, and configure the XSLT mapping in site settings.
And remember to include the XML declaration in your files for reliable MIME detection.
Exactly. With a custom XSLT you can control the display output entirely, which makes it quite flexible for TEI projects.
It's a somewhat advanced module, but useful for anyone integrating omekas with TEI or other XML workflows.
The article notes that it involves advanced setup, so it's worth reading carefully before trying it in a production environment.